Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will introduce to you synchronous motor debugging. First, connect the motor according to the wiring diagram. Then set maximum frequency, digital setting of upper limit frequency, keyboard number setting frequency. First, set F01.10 maximum frequency. Recommend to set same as the motor rated frequency. Then F01.12 digital setting of upper limit frequency, set same as the motor rated frequency. F01.09 keyboard number setting frequency. Now set the motor control method F01.00 for synchronous motor, set 10, 11 or 12. Now set the motor parameters according to the motor nameplates. Set F02.01 number of motor poles, F02.02 motor rated power, F02.03 motor rated frequency, F02.04 motor rated speed, F02.05 motor rated voltage, F02.06 motor rated current. After set all parameters, do motor auto tuning. Set F02.07 1 or 2. 1 means rotating self-tuning must be disconnected from the load. 2 means static self-tuning. 3 means static resistance self-tuning. F02.07 1. Then you need to press the run key. When auto tuning is complete, it will go back to the main interface. Here is the all parameter setting I used in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact with our technical team for assistance. Thanks for watching.